Hi Asad, this is Blake speaking and this is my daily checklist video. Today I open my work at 9 in the morning, and first of all I check all my mail as well as, and then I did my KG ad, and then I go to my regular work. Today I work on FC Frontier, so I work on the research on that base, and I got some products and I set it and done all the research and set it my channel. Please check out over here and see my video also, try to understand. So tomorrow I will work on order beginner practicing video and think about that. So that's all today's work actually. So thank you for watching my video.